Hi everyone, my name is Natasha and today I'll show you how to make crispy chickpeas in the oven. This is a perfect way to elevate your salad. It's full of proteins and it's super tasty as well. So let's get started. For the crunchy chickpeas, of course we will need the chickpeas. I'm using the canned chickpeas, which is super easy. So I have 1 can of chickpeas, which I'm going to strain them. Some sweet paprika, smoked sweet paprika, about 15 ml of olive oil and salt and pepper to taste. This is literally everything that you would need for this recipe. Of course you can use any other spices of your choice, it's entirely up to you, but I prefer to keep it simple and to elevate after that my salad with a nice sauce as well. So let's get started. So to make the chickpeas crispy, you'll need a baking tray, which I'm going to link in the description below, and a spatula, just to make sure that everything is well combined. So the strained chickpeas, transfer them into the baking tray. Add here just slightly like 15 ml or even less of olive oil. This will help the chickpeas to be very crispy. Add the paprika as well. Because it's sweet and it's not spicy, you can add as much as you want. It helps the color as well, it makes this like crispy and beautiful caramelized color as well. Some fresh ground pepper and of course the salt. Give this a good mix until well combined and transfer the baking sheet into the oven, preheated oven at 180 degrees for about 25 to 30 minutes. So this was my recipe of how to make the crunchy and crispy chickpeas. This recipe is perfect for making a snack when you don't know what to eat, and it's perfect as well to elevate your salad. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to give a thumbs up and to subscribe if you are new to my channel. I'm posting every Tuesday and every Friday a new, interesting, healthy and quick recipe. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next time.